Hi guys, just wanted to point something out. I'm here, it's a day off because the schools are closed and I'm on the park with my daughter. We've been making a bit of a snowman. We've been throwing some snow around. She's been going down the little hills on her sled. Now, the point is this, is that I've made time to do this afternoon because one of the points about being self-employed and having a business is that it should support your lifestyle. It, in theory, should be a slave to you, not you to it. So, I've taken the time out. Have we had a great time, Tilly?
Yeah!
So, the point is this. If your business doesn't enable you to every now and then just take some time out, then you have to wonder why on earth it is you do it. Because otherwise you've just got a job with a different name where your time is being dictated by others. And now my view, and I know I disagree with some, but being self-employed and having a business should be your thing, to your tune, in your time, the way you want to do it. And if it isn't like that, then I would urge you to take another look. We're close to the end of the year. 2018 is fast approaching. I hope you've got a 2018 plan, and I hope that 2018 plan includes you spending more time having a bit of fun with your family. So thanks again for watching. Remember, we make a video like this once a week. Bye for now. Hey, oh.
That always happens to you. Snowball.
I always fall off.
I don't know how it happens.